Hi Dream students, it's Mr. Francis. Welcome to the weekly Dream Student Dispatch. As always, you can find the dispatch here on our YouTube channel, but make sure you look at the full version of the slide deck, which is posted inside Schoology, which has upcoming assignments for your grade. Welcome back from what I hope was a safe and joyous Thanksgiving weekend. Before we dive into the dispatch, I want to say thank you to everyone who filled out the midterm feedback survey and congratulate our winners, Leon, Genesis, Mamadou, and Lena. There's an Amazon gift card coming your way. Now here's 3 things that you need to know about the upcoming week here at Dream. Number 1, in-person learning has returned. We know how much the opportunity to learn in person means to many of our students, so we're excited to open our doors tomorrow. Make sure you check your Google Calendar and your email so you know which days you're expected to come in. Make sure you fill out the wellness check form before you come to school. Looking forward to seeing many of you this week. Number 2, quarter 2 schedule changes are here. So for all students, whether you're remote or hybrid, there are changes to your schedule for the second quarter of the year. Make sure you've checked out your Google Calendar so you know what the adjustments are. If you're in grades 9, 10, or 11, those changes go into effect tomorrow, Monday, November 30th. If you're a senior, those changes go into effect next Monday, December 7th. For students who learn in person, you'll now be coming in on back-to-back days. So that's either Monday and Tuesday you come in, or Thursday or Friday you come in. So for all students, make sure you checked out your Google Calendar to see the changes to your schedule. If there's an issue, please reach out to us so we can fix it as soon as we can. Number 3, check your GPAs. So coming out of conferences, I'm sure we're all eager to improve our grades. Now is the time. No matter how you started the year, you have plenty of time left in semester 1 to boost your grades. You should be in Power School on your phone or on your Chromebook, checking your grades to see where you are several times a week. If you have questions, reach out to your teacher or to your advisor to get support. Take advantage of all the opportunities you have to boost your GPAs, including, and importantly, reassessments at Tutorial Wednesday. Tutorial Wednesday is back this week. The link to sign up is right below here. Make sure you see which tutorials you should attend based on the grades that you're looking for to improve. It's time to focus up. It's time to lock in, because at the end of the semester, the GPAs that you have are what we send to the colleges when you apply. We've all got lots of time. Let's focus up, do what we have to do to boost our GPAs. So that's all we have for this week. Thanks for watching Student Dispatch. Make sure you read the full version, which we posted inside of Schoology. Please make sure you checked out your Google Calendar so you know about any adjustments to your schedule. We're looking forward to seeing many of you back this week. When this video ends, log into Power School, check your GPA, click the link below to sign up for your Tutorial Wednesday. Have a great week. You got this. I love you.